I want to sweep these things, then come out.
No chapamo. Ah!
When the rice they go inside my room.
I
am still talking. Are you talking? Baby. Now the 400,000 naira the item be all these things.
Yes, no.
This morning.
Yes, no. Just coming back. Things are very expensive on the market. See, Gary, now 100, I think 100 and something thousand. The rice, very expensive. Almost 200 something. Things are very, very expensive. You know now. Our country is supposed to know. Very, very expensive.
400,000 naira item, 9 minutes.
Yes, now.
Hey!
Things are very costly. See the Gary. It's plenty. You go manage them. Everybody go to chop small. It's very expensive.
No, it's better I call them so that I'll tell them all. It is better I call them out so they will see it and see I'm spending 400,000 naira. You don't go reach 1 week, 6 days, or 2 weeks, 6 days, you go finish.
No, things are.
Where are they? Alex!
Sir?
Alex, come. Be this now. What did you give me now? What did be this?
It's okay. Come first. Sit down. Where are the people? Where are they? Who is in this house? Everybody in their house. Go outside. Go outside. Go outside. Precious. Go outside. Where are the people? Call everybody out.
Okay.
Hey! Baby, say this is 400,000 naira item.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. It's okay, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, it has charged. And I know most of you are happy seeing this. Yes. I know you people are happy. But you cannot be happy. You cannot be happy. Because this item you're seeing now is 400,000 naira.
400,000.
Every month, I know how much I put in this house. Every blessed month. I'll buy things for things to reach 1 month. Things not going to reach 1 month. 2 weeks and 6 days. Food go finish. This thing go finish. I called you people out here for you to curtail whatever you're eating.
Why do they chop rice for salad?
Spanner, what are you eating?
Okay, no, that rice will be meant for when we chop the men.
Who chop remain food for this house?
You know, finish.
Make it up like say rice we keep. We will chop like a guy put for waterproof. Spanner.
You know, plenty now, boss.
Spanner, what is your problem?
Spanner,
what is your problem?
This guy, they laugh at us.
Why are you always eating like idiots in my house?
I made the food no waste now, boss.
Food when they put for pot, keep.
Rice for nylon.
They cannot go pack and put for nylon. Make no spoil.
Spanner, they do like small picking.
How did you shout dragon man?
I'll talk to you.
No,
Hey, I'm talking to you.
Yeah,
What is your problem, Spanner?
Boss, not tonight.
When did die for your belly, Spanner? That you cannot allow food to stay 1 day. Spanner? Hey!
Why are you eating like this in the plastic? Why are you eating like this in the plastic?
I made the food, no.
I didn't put that one meat each.
Hey.
Hey, wow, this is a celebrity.
Spanner, why are you eating food? Carry my food where we just keep it warm, let and chop. You gotta put for nylon.
No, why you putting it in the plastic before?
I don't know. Hey, Spanner,
Spanner, why you putting it in the
I am still talking. Are you talking? Are you eating it? Are you talking? Are you eating it?
But no verse now.
Because now, I don't know, say they're like, make the food, me not be like say the thing go.
No,
that was why I put them for this thing. I guess at the time waterproof, the thing
I don't
go
put
get
that for
heat.
plate, Kwan.
Huh?
You don't want dirty the plate?
Plate dead dirty.
You know if you wash, big man.
Alex, now you're senior in bureau. I don't know why they talk like that.
Spanner!
Boss.
Spanner!
Sir?
many times I call you? The way you eat in this house. One day I'll pursue you. You eat credit for my head, oh. You eat credit for my head, oh. This thing is. I see the talking. They look the waterproof, abi. This thing is getting too much, oh. But no problem.
But na shop we go see shop and na.
So can you talk that thing? Which shop?
No be shop we go shop and. No be shop we go shop and.
For nylon.
I really for easiest access now. No be shop we go shop and.
Please. I called you people for something. So you better. I don't want noise today. I don't want noise today. I don't want noise. Please. These are the items. And if this thing not reach 1 month or one, in fact, if this item went there not reach 3 months, what is If you say
no, boss, you go rich now.
Who say
No.
Who say
Nah,
but 3 months too much now. What's
I've given this 3 months. If this thing past 3 months, I'll.
Why they do like that? Why they do like that? They see the
what's part of the eating at the
you
phone?
they carry like this, like they put for.
They carry Gary. Why not attacking me now? I mean, you know, I'm person. You go buy Gary, no go test them.
Gary was 100,000. Now you just go. Whenever you go, you don't go test them.
This one, I don't even know which one brother you this time. What is your own problem?
Why every time you go do it for front? If you want to do something, you don't do a good day. Just call here.
They don't talk about
Hey. Oh, I am still talking.
Gary.
You carry life, put for waterproof. Now you carry my Gary.
Jump for Gary again.
No. Now what? Something is wrong somewhere. Something is wrong somewhere.
I know you like him.
Which one you like him?
You know what happened? Baby. Come on, go carry the rice. They go inside our room.
That's gonna go in here. Leave here.
This thing they dodge. Person, if you want drink Gary,
You put that for my hand. Nothing go do am. Don't worry.
Nothing go do am. You put am for your hand. You wear the chop pass. Nothing go do am.
Boss, I bet Mo just called this.
Now this is my.
All these things, where they chop. Nobody they chop much. You know, say all of us for this house, we they chop. That's not precise.
We don't even start the chop.
You don't add that.
So for the food, thank you for the food. Thank you for the food.
And this food is 3 months, so. This food is 3 months, so.
2 weeks.
Now you don't pass 3 weeks, 3 months, so.
Mama, welcome.
Okay, no problem.
Welcome.
So the.
What's the problem?
Spanner.
What's the problem?
Spanner, why are you eating the rest inside the
I
plastic?
don't know. Fire! Get out.
They're looking at that pepper soup when you tap
Get out!
pepper soup in the plastic bag.
I say get out, I'll throw this.
I want to sweep this thing, then come out.
No chop am o. Hey. Now that play was Mr. Bed sheet. Now when they use chop that time, you remember Abi?
That's why this boy.
So you eating the rest? What you say, Spanner, but not eat. You know they sitting now. You don't want to put a cap in. You know they sitting there for. Everything has been seen. I say, let person no chop and you chop.
Why you go talk now? I mean, I never talk. Yeah? Me why bring money, make more. I never talk.
So, boss, the team.
Yes, now your training, now your papa.
I don't come. I don't know you don't like this thing.